How's it? So I'm in Seattle still, sleepless in Seattle. I can't sleep, so I have a long day though tomorrow or today, Monday, Mixer Monday. So I'll just be breaking these. We'll start with the 18 Series 1. So all this, got it from my haul at Walmart. I think all the clearance is from Walmart, and I think these two is from Target, which the gravity feeders, they only left two of it, so I just took the last two. So here we go. 2018 Series 1. Wrong Angel, Cole Merrifield. Ichi. Man, these upside down things are just annoying, so I'm not gonna. What is up? Alright, I'm gonna show this foil. Foil of Giancarlo. Reese Hoskins. Machado. Oh, nice. Chris Bryant. Nice. Oh, we got a relic of Kenta Maeda. Number 299. Oh, that's sweet. Cool. Utley. Get the horizontals now. Solar Gallo. Who's that? Mariners. Angels. Rockies. Philman, Myers, Tomlin. Cano. Tapia. Waka. Alright, let's do an update later. Let's do this Bowman then. Bowman. Put Kenta on the side. Alright, Dustin. See some shiny. Grisham, Escobar. I got the Mets talent pipeline. Don't recognize none of them. Gavin Lux, nice. Rookie of the Year favorites. Vargas, Green, Carnacion. Hey, Posan. I think this is my first Posan. Oh, Posan. Oh, Wander, nice. Paper though. Still, that's pretty good. Trammell, Adele, Jones. Oh, Glenn Allen, Moron. Brown, Bieber, and Belly. Not too bad. Not too bad. Let's do one Series 2. So this is my first Series 2 opening. Happ, Rogers, Morin, Ravello, Nunez, Zimmerman, Stewart, Tony Kemp, Darwinzon Hernandez. Got the Marlins. Is that that's Diaz? I don't know. Pena, Musgrove, Santana, a Turkey Red, Paddock, Fultz, Scott Oberg. Nah, that's kind of a. Okay, let's do a 19 update. Edmund, Garcia, division foes, Paddock. Nice. Got Flatty, Brennan, Glacius, Murphy, Grando, Barrios, Dowdy, Lovelady, Miller, Herrera, McNeil. Got 150th anniversary Shed Long. This is the Hapa exclusive Target. Or Walmart, yeah. Shohei was the Target. Boxberger, Hamilton, home run and shutout of Thor. Is that Thor? Hey, second Guerrero, nice. Yelich, Abreu, Chapman, Ty France, Reyes. Is that Yelich again? Bergman. Another shed long. Still another 19 update. And let's end it with 2018. Encarnacion. Oh, there we go. Upside down. Chapman, Iced Out, Familia, Obra, Santana. We got a gold. We have a gold of Profar. That should be 2019. 2019. 493. And then the Hapa. Roy Holiday, rest in peace. Rengifo. Never heard of Rengifo. Alrans, Martin, Hernandez. Bogart. Oh, really? Paddock again. Mir Swanson. Hey, is that Galeba? Nice. Okay. Not to the kind. Nothing special. So, Series 2 again. Canning, Kane, Barreto, Jimenez, Sims, Morton, Brought, Sale, Ray, White Sox, Seattle, Flattery, Ozzie Smith, The Wiz, Wilkerson, and Bundy. So, could be better. Oh, come on, Shohei. This is 2018 update with Shohei Ohtani. Glaber, nice. Off the bat, get Glaber. Rookie Chapman. Cabrera. We get Giant and the Midget. Oh, look at that. Nice. Nice. Guess you saved the best for the last. Aguilar. Lindor. All smiles. Oh, jeez. Is that Jipper? No, Jim Tomei. Oh, don't blink. Keymeyer. Flattery. Chris Davis. Hey, Mark. Big Mac. Ian Happ. Hader. Crawford. Scherzer. Meadows. Adames. Kelly. Hicks. Jimenez. Grichuk. Common. Garcia. And the rookie combo Reds. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching my Mixer Monday. Hopefully I get sleep. Take care. Be safe. And aloha.